How to contact the customer service of the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here on the bottom you'll see 4 options. Simply tap on the Me option located on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on it, scroll down until you see an option called Help and Feedback, which is right above the Clear Cache option. After tapping on Help and Feedback, you'll see a Contact Support button on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on it, and from here you can contact the Meitu's customer service, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.